In an era where automotive technology continues to evolve at breakneck speed, staying ahead of the curve has never been more crucial. From safety innovations to convenience upgrades, the latest car gadgets are transforming how we experience our daily commutes and long-distance journeys. Here's our curated selection of the most groundbreaking automotive accessories that deserve a spot in your vehicle this year. I would like to tell you about a convenient and functional scanner for car diagnostics. This compact device allows you to easily and quickly connect to the onboard computer of your car, read fault codes, display the parameters of various systems: engine, transmission, ABS, and airbags. Determining the problem takes minutes even for a novice. Just connect the scanner and press the diagnostic button. The device will automatically recognize the car model and start checking. The device supports more than 10,000 car models since 1996. The compact size allows you to carry the scanner with you in your car. The 7-inch diameter LED headlights are a great upgrade for both the exterior and lighting of your vehicle. These headlights look stylish thanks to the classic spotlight design with distinctive round LED strips. They provide a bright yet soft light, improving visibility on the road. Sturdy aluminum housing, sophisticated optics, efficient cooling. The headlights will last a long time. Installation takes only 20 minutes. The headlights are suitable for various car models. You see a Universal Car Interior Care Product 3D Cleaner for leather, vinyl, and plastic. It is the perfect solution to clean and refresh the interior of your car seats, steering wheel, door panels, dashboard, and other trim parts. It effectively removes dirt, grease, fingerprints, all the things that damage the appearance of the interior over time. At the same time, the formula is absolutely safe for sensitive materials, leather and vinyl, as well as for harder plastic parts. It leaves no streaks or scratches on the surface. Complete 450-piece set for professional and home automotive repair. Includes wrenches, bits, combination wrenches, hex keys, accessories, and a portable storage case. Made of chrome vanadium steel with a chrome plating for durability and wear resistance. Will not corrode even under heavy use. Can withstand torque ranging from 95 to 3,017 Newton-meters. Suitable for unscrewing stuck nuts and installing equipment. Equipped with all the necessary accessories for efficient manual work. Features a lightweight, high-density plastic case with compartments for easy storage and transportation. It is an indispensable tool for checking car batteries. It is compatible with 12-volt and 24-volt starter and alternator systems. Tests batteries at 102,000 CHA, suitable for all types of batteries. Compact and easy to use, ideal for small workshops and home applications. Adaptive conductance technology is used for more accurate analysis. It increases test accuracy from 92% to 94%, reduces false measurements, finds batteries with low capacity, reduces recharges and tests. The 12-piece battery terminal clamps can be a reliable help in keeping your car battery charged. These clamps are made of 6061 aluminum, which provides high precision and excellent durability. They not only protect your battery terminals from corrosion, but also extend the life of your battery. The 12-position connectors allow you to connect multiple cables at the same time. This is convenient when installing audio and other equipment. The 6 holes and 6 threaded sleeves provide a wide range of options for connecting different cables. The terminals are suitable for 6, 12, 24, 36 and 48-volt batteries and are widely used. Special keys and accessories in the kit make it easy to connect cables and fasten the clamps. You are looking at the Mobile Battery Jump Starter. A powerful 1500 amp peak current allows you to start the engine of a car or other machinery up to 30 times in a row. Suitable for gasoline engines up to 6 liters or diesel engines up to 5 liters. The IHP67 waterproof housing allows the starter to be used in rainy weather. The built-in LED flashlight has 3 lighting modes: normal, SOS, and strobe. It is useful for camping, picnics, and emergency situations. This starter also serves as a compact external battery with high capacity. It has a power bank function that can charge smartphones, tablets, and other devices from its battery. Charge your phones, tablets, and other devices at speeds up to 2.1 amps. To operate, connect the cables to the starter, then to your car battery, and start the engine. Modern safety systems are applied. including protection against short circuits, incorrect polarity, overheating, and other critical situations. It is a reliable and versatile solution for starting cars with a dead battery. Door lock with a password entry function and remote control will make your motorhome travel even safer and more convenient. This lock is designed for maximum security. Forget about power problems on the road. This electronic trailer lock is the safest, most powerful and compact system available today. With low power consumption, you can enjoy traveling away from city grids for up to 6 months. And the low battery warning will help you avoid the situation of finding yourself locked out of your motorhome. Unlock your motorhome easily and simply with a key, password, or remote control. For those who don't like to memorize passwords, keys are provided. Convenient and easy, especially for children and the elderly. Designed for a variety of motorhomes, this lock easily replaces standard handles. It includes lock, 2 remote controls with a range of up to 98 feet, installation and use manual, and all necessary tools for installation. Topton Car Battery Tester is an excellent value for money. It allows you to test 12-volt lead-acid batteries. It has 4 test modes: load test, voltage test, and 2 additional modes: startup and charging tests, which are available through the app. The tester gives fast and accurate results, displays the battery charge level in just 1 second. Thanks to advanced technology, the measurement accuracy reaches 99.5%. The tester connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth, opening up additional testing possibilities. In the app, you can view real-time voltage graphs and playback saved data. It has polarity and spark protection, as well as long clamps for easy testing. This is a powerful jump starter that can provide up to 2,000 amperes of current to start the engine. It will start a motor with up to 8 liters of gasoline or 6 liters of diesel in 3 seconds, suitable for 12-volt cars. Works reliably both in the cold and in the hot desert. Using this starter is very safe due to built-in protections against short circuits, polarity reversal, and more. There is a special stop spark sensor. You just connect the clamps as needed. The green light comes on, and press the start button. The engine will start instantly even with a completely dead battery. It is also a powerful external battery. You can charge smartphones, tablets via USB. There is a 12-volt output for connecting car devices and a built-in flashlight for 300 lumens to shine in the dark. The Tower Top Charger is a powerful and functional charger with a current up to 25 amp. It is suitable for all types of lead-acid batteries: conventional, gel, AHG, and others. Charging is fully automatic. The device itself determines the type of battery, charges it, and disconnects at 100% charge. There is a mode of winter charging and engine start. The device implements an 8-stage intelligent charging program with desulfitation and battery recovery. Advanced process monitoring and control technologies are applied for optimal charging and extended battery life. It is a reliable and high-tech charger for motorists and professionals. Portable car jump starter with a 1500 ampere capacity. It allows you to instantly start cars with a gasoline engine up to 7 liters or a 5.5-liter diesel engine in the harshest weather conditions. With a battery capacity of 12,000 mAh, this compact starter can also be used as an external battery to charge phones, tablets, and other mobile devices. Additionally, it features an LED flashlight with 3 modes of operation: normal, strobe, and SHOS. The rugged housing and waterproof rating of IP66 make this portable starter suitable for use even in rainy weather. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry and store in the trunk of your car. This reliable and multifunctional device will become an indispensable accessory on the road or while camping. Car Digital Video Recorder from Aerophase. It records video in high-definition resolution, and the wide-angle lens with a viewing angle of 150 degrees allows you to clearly record license plate numbers and road signs both during the day and at night. The compact size of the camera does not block the driver's view when installed on the windshield. One of the main advantages of this model is the presence of a wireless Fidelity 2.4 GHz module and a special application. Through it, you can view the recording in real time, download videos to your phone, change camera settings, and share clips on social networks. Another useful feature is the parking recording mode. The shock sensor detects any collisions or attempts to steal the car in your absence. There is also continuous recording with file locking in case of an accident. A wide temperature range and support for memory cards up to 128 GB make this model an excellent solution for both summer and winter use. A handy tester for checking your car battery. It allows you to easily determine the condition of any 12-volt lead-acid battery. The device displays all necessary information on the screen: battery charge, currents, voltage, and other important parameters. Compatible with all types of batteries used in cars, has 3 test modes. It allows you to determine the overall condition of the battery, power to start the engine, the generator and charging system. For ease of use, color indication, simple menu, quality clamps with protection against polarity reversal, compact size for storage in the car. A car scanner is a multifunctional device that can read and reset errors, display various vehicle parameters in real time, such as engine temperature or revolutions per minute. Thanks to the support of 9 diagnostic protocols, the scanner is compatible with most cars. The device is equipped with a backlit liquid crystal display, on which it is convenient to read the readings. The scanner is powered directly from the car's diagnostic socket, so no batteries are required. The cable is 2.5 feet long and has excellent flexibility for comfortable connection in hard-to-reach places. There are 6 control buttons on the body, but it is worth noting that the scanner only works with the onboard diagnostics version 2 system to read engine errors. The Hafaloki portable compressor has a built-in 20,000 mAh battery that allows you to use it autonomously without connecting to an external power source. Thanks to its power, the compressor inflates tires 3 times faster than conventional portable models. Now you can quickly inflate up to 12 car tires or 30 bicycle tires. It has 4 inflation modes for different types of vehicles. There is also a custom mode with the ability to set the desired pressure. The built-in light-emitting diode light is useful for working in the dark, and there are connectors for charging gadgets. The dual display shows the current and set pressure, and the automatic shut-off function eliminates overpumping. The compressor is made in a compact portable case and is equipped with a bag for easy transportation. Today, I want to tell you about an indispensable helper in an extreme situation, a towing kit from Nylite. The kit includes a 2-inch diameter ball hitch with double pinholes. It easily installs into a standard towing hitch bracket and can support a rated load of 11,000 pounds and has a tensile strength of up to 45,000 pounds, which is several times the weight of a standard pickup truck. The kit includes a special D-bracket that is powder-coated for corrosion protection, which reduces squeaks and protects the bumper surface from damage. Thanks to the kit, you can easily organize a reliable towing of a stuck car using the regular hitch, and the sturdy construction will withstand even the most extreme loads. The welder features advanced IV beat inverter technology that makes it powerful and reliable. It is capable of welding steel, cast iron, and other metals, making it an ideal choice for various jobs. Built-in features such as electrode sticking protection, hot start, and excellent arc stability make working with this welder even easier and safer. It has a convenient carrying handle, easy to use, safe and energy efficient, making it an exceptional choice for various metal work. Introducing the wrench headset. It includes 5 double-sided heads in various sizes and 2 adapters. Among the head sizes are 3/8 by 7/16 inch, 1/2 by 9/16 inch, 5/8 by 11/16 inch, 3/4 by 13/16 inch, and 7/8 by 15/16 inch. One of the features of this set is its convenient switching feature that allows you to change heads quickly, reducing the number of tools needed for the job. The set includes 2 dual drive adapters, making it versatile and easy to use with different types of tools. This set is ideal for various tasks. The GPS speedometer has a large 5.5-inch screen that displays speed, travel time, mileage, direction, and more right on the windshield. It provides useful features, speed and driver fatigue alerts to help you drive safely. The display automatically adjusts brightness for day or night driving to see the screen clearly. It utilizes advanced technologies such as dual-core processing for smooth and fast data updates. Operation is simple with a single button. Just press to switch between different data display modes. You can also access the settings menu to customize the settings. That's a wrap on today's tool showcase. Subscribe for more reviews, like this video, and let us know your favorite tool in the comments below.